Steam cleaners for cars have moved beyond basic upholstery refreshes to become capable, chemical-free cleaners for stains, odors, and tough grime on fabrics, carpets, and hard surfaces. This comparison evaluates 5 portable steam cleaning solutions that cover a range from entry-level to premium, with a price spread of $109.99 to $209.99. Product number 1. Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet. The Hydro Steam model represents Bissell's premium portable cleaning solution, combining steam, suction, and an oxy spot and stain formula for tough messes. It features a 64-ounce dual-tank system, 3 cleaning modes, steam wash, steam, and wash, and a 5-inch tough stain tool, plus a multi-surface tool for hard surfaces and sneakers. It promotes fast upholstery drying and has Bissell's PET Pro Oxy formula with Stain Protect for longer-term stain resistance. Performance and use cases. In testing, Hydro Steam delivered higher cleaning power due to controlled steam combined with oxy chemistry and strong suction, which helped lift set-in oily stains and pet accidents. The 3 modes provide versatility. Steam wash tackles oily messes, steam refreshes upholstery, and wash targets enzyme-based stains. The 64-ounce dual tanks reduce downtime, and the 5-inch tough stain tool widens reach on stairs and car interiors. Drying times around 30 minutes are competitive for a portable unit. The room temperature and fabric type affect results. The included Bissell PET Pro Oxy product helps with odor control and ongoing stain resistance, which is valuable for animal owners. Product number 3. Eubank Dynamo Steam Cleaner for chemical-free cleaning. Eubank's Dynamo is a compact canister steam cleaner designed for chemical-free cleaning across multiple surfaces with a 51 fluid-ounce tank and 1500-watt boiler. It touts high pressure up to 54 psi, steam on demand, and an extensive attachment kit for floors, tiles, upholstery, and windows. The system emphasizes continuous steam for up to 45 minutes per fill and onboard tool storage. Performance and use cases. With a higher boiler wattage and sizable tank, the Eubank Dynamo offers robust steam for bathroom grime, kitchen tiles, and car interiors. The on-demand steam and long continuous runtime are advantageous for larger tasks, but its 230-volt rating may limit usage outside regions with compatible outlets. The accessory bundle supports edge cleaning, grout, and fabric care, and the long hose and multiple nozzles improve reach in car interiors. However, the higher voltage requirement and heavier overall footprint can impact portability for some users. Product number 4. Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Little Green Pet Deluxe focuses on pet mess management with a 48-ounce tank, strong suction, and specialized pet spot and stain plus oxy boost formulas. It includes a 3-inch tough stain tool and a stain trapper tool tailored for pet-related messes in both home and vehicle interiors. Performance and use cases. This unit balances portability with pet-specific cleaning capabilities. The combo of Pet Spot and Oxy Boost helps tackle odors and ingrained stains, while the larger 48-ounce tank reduces downtime. The included tools support surface versatility, from carpets to autumn interiors, though it lacks the Hydro Steam heating features of the premium Bissell Hydro Steam model. For pet owners seeking a compact, dedicated solution, it delivers reliable everyday performance with targeted stain removal. Product number 5. Bissell Little Green Pro Portable Carpet. The Little Green Pro Spot Clean Pro is positioned as the most powerful spot and stain cleaner in Bissell's portable lineup, with a 5.7 amp motor and a deep stain tool in addition to the 3-inch tough stain tool. It includes 2 8-ounce trial-size formulas and aims at professional-grade results in a compact form factor. Performance and use cases. The Pro model emphasizes aggressive suction, scrubbing action, and concentrated formulas to lift embedded stains in carpets, stairs, upholstery, and auto interiors. It's particularly effective for heavy traffic areas and stubborn pet stains. The 15.35-inch depth and 13.98-inch height keep it portable, but the larger tool set and higher suction power can demand more from users in terms of maintenance and storage. This model suits users who want near-professional,